Tell us today on our voice to very first thing I'd like to ask you all, please stay seated, keep all arms and feet placed in the boat at all times, and please watch your kids. Now up ahead, that's Monstro the whale, the same whale that swallowed Geppetto and Pinocchio. Monstro's about to swallow us too, oh no!
Oh, look at that, Ayden.
But not to worry, because if you remember the story, when Pinocchio was inside of Monstro, he was a smart move what he did. He built a fire, and there was so much smoke from that fire that it caused Monstro to squeeze so hard, he blew his own sails completely off, and it created our head trip into Land. So welcome again.
Look at
Now, the first thing I'd like to point out is on our left, and that's the cave of the big bad wolf. He spends all of his time trying to get to the island in the middle to the homes of the three little pigs here. That first house being made of straw, the second one made of wood.
Yeah, Ayden.
The last one on the hill made out of wolf-proof bricks.
What is that one? The piggies? Where? Piggies?
Yeah, the piggies over there.
And over here on our left, by this watermill is the English country.
Look at that one, Ayden. Look at this one. Look at that. It's a little town.
All the way to Wonderland. Now, here in the center of the canal is London Park. That's the park that Wendy, Michael, and John took over on their way to Neverland.
Look at the plants.
Have to go up. And up ahead is the city of mystery and enchantment, Agrabah. That's the Sultan's palace that's overlooking the city. And down below is the marketplace. That's where the Sultan's daughter, Princess Jasmine, had a lap for the very first time.
Look at that.
And now we're about to come to the rose-covered archway. The one for Magic Jasmine. On their magic carpet ride to a whole new world. And on to our left is the station.
Oh, look at that, Ayden.
Look at all those monkeys and wild animals waiting for their ride.
Don't stick your hand out, Ayden.
Your hand?
And now we're about to go into the Cave of Wonders.
Look at that, Ayden.
That's the cave that Aladdin was searching for treasure. And while he was in there, he found the most amazing thing. He found a magic lamp with a genie inside.
Wow. And the genie.
Talking at you. Oh, the shiny.
And on our right is the Dwarf's Cottage, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. And a little step beyond is the Dwarf's Diamond Mine, where they whistle while they work. On our left is the village that Cinderella grew up in with her wicked stepmother and her two very mean stepsisters. And now she lives happily ever after with her Prince Charming in the castle way up there at the top of the hill. In fact, if you look halfway down the hill on the road, you'll see her carriage that's still there. The one that turned back into a pumpkin when she left the ball that night on the road.
Look at the duck back there, Ayden. Huh?
And there on our left is a giant patchwork quilt. It's made up of more than 20 types of desert cactus flowers and so, and they're all held together by those big white cross stitches. It was all inspired by Disney's silly something from the 1930s called Lullaby Night.
Dad, I see the picture. I see the picture.
No, it's for you.
Also, here
I'm not taking a picture.
Every one of our boats is unique and named after a character from a story. Today we're riding aboard the Belle, named after Beauty from Beauty and the Beast. And over here on our left, that little house right there is called Mole Ranch. This is the home of Mr. Mole. And right now, that is Mr. Mole. And right now, we're all from Mr. Toad.
Little elf.
And these three windmills were inspired by another Disney silly symphony called The Old Mill. And ahead, the Alpine village of Geppetto and Pinocchio.
Pero en Pinocchio.
Wood carving shop one night that he carved a little boy out of wood.
Look at that.
Fixed upon a star. He was a real live boy.
Oh, look at this one. It's nice. Look at that town.
Ayden? Why took me the house?
There you go, Ayden.
And there on our right is the tip of Prince Harry. And right next to that
Yeah, it's noise.
That's the Council River. Harry's the Council River.
Oh, look at that one.
Now behind the waterfall is King Christ and
Look
Water
at
House.
that one.
That's where Ariel's father and sisters and two best friends, Sebastian and Sandra, live.
Wow.
Okay, everyone, as we approach the dock, make sure your hands and fingers do stay inside.
Put your hands and fingers
And our
inside,
boy
Ayden.
has come to an end, but I hope you've enjoyed it, everybody.
Did you like it, Ayden? Yeah?
Time here at Disneyland.
Okay.
Now, one last favor.
Say
when we
bye.
Stop, please stay seated.
Bye.
I'm
Say
gonna
bye.
announce that